What's with these E-couple names, huh?
My girlfriend broke up with me and I can't change my name. My
That's
ego
real,
left me.
that's real dumb.
Sucks to suck.
My E-Kitten left me and I can't change my name anymore.
Oh no, that's so sad. You'll get over it. Keep your head up, King. Your crown's slipping. My girlfriend broke up
rough.
with me.
Play Phoenix.
Yeah.
Yeah. You be whatever you want, champ.
Yeah, you
We're
go
here
for it.
Any champ you want. Really.
Pick and
Champion,
choose.
this isn't.
He plays League of
My
Legends.
bad. Sorry.
Actual League player.
That's the wrong game.
That's never what I wanted to happen in any game. At least someone dodged.
Oh my
god.
Oh my
God. It's the full team.
Is this the same iPop?
Yeah, bro, it is.
Oh!
Hell yeah! Got the whole squad back together. So I have a question. Is there anything else I can
Yeah.
call you other than his Sage?
Joshi.
Joshi?
His name is Joshi.
Ew.
Perfect, Joshi. Joshi,
Ew.
so
Ew, no.
you say your girlfriend broke
think?
up with you, but yet your name is his Sage.
It's my
Yeah.
boyfriend.
Oh, it's your boyfriend? Got
Oh.
it. No, someone else dodged! It's just getting interesting! Please get in the same game again.
I don't think it will. Maybe he's on the other team. That'd be funny. Oh my god, his stage is on the other team.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh. We need to say hi.
Oh, so you got this, Jet. God damn it. Let me just say keep your head up at least. You suck.
You gotta be faster than that.
I really
gonna call him
play. I
Joshy.
deserve this.
No wonder you're alone!
My kitten just climbed up the back of my chair and just on my head now.
Aww. Fat head looking ass bitch. You can fit a whole cat up there. You should be insecure, by the way.
I was gonna send you a photo, but
Oh no, I wanna
Shoot
see
him.
the photo. No,
You got-
please. What's the play, guys? I think we should go A2. You're right, Omen. I translated
Grace.
it. What's up?
Has anybody told you how funny you are?
No, actually.
that's sad.
Oh, I got a friend request.
From her.
The Astra. Hey, Astra.
Yeah?
I'm
No.
recording a video right now. You wanna say hi?
Hello.
Oh, can I say hi?
No. It's a Ray sandwich with Astra as the bread. It's a cry for help.
Do you really want to Sage, or would you rather me be Sky?
Up to you.
I really don't want to play Sage, not gonna lie.
Yeah, don't play Sage if you don't wanna. Either would be good.
I feel like I'd get more frags if I... I'm selfish now. Look at me. I can heal myself. Nah, I'm a team player.
No, play
I'm
Reyna.
selfish.
No.
I'm a
You
team
need
player.
this. No,
I
play
can get
Reyna.
frags like
Take a
no
mental health day. You
tomorrow.
don't need to support other people. Do it for yourself. Yeah! Let's go!
Penny,
Oh yeah?
are you a good Raze player? Are you a Raze main or something?
No. I just like her and I haven't bothered to play anyone else. I've just stuck with her all this time.
Yeah, okay.
God, I hate the Marshall, bro. It actually makes me want to headbutt my screen. It actually pisses me off beyond belief, I swear.
Let's do some breathing exercises. Ready? Yeah, that's it. You're calm, you're zen.
Don't give me this back, I'm gonna die. Holy shit. Guys, do something. What are you doing? Oh my god,
120
you
on
guys.
jet, 120 on jet.
But what are you doing? I'm not getting the bomb, really a lot.
Bro,
that's
Phoenix,
not
you gotta
bad.
chill out a little bit, man.
Yeah. Do some of those breathing exercises we did.
Fight lucky. Oh,
Oh my god, what are you doing?
What are you doing, dude? On my team. Ugh.
We can get around on the board, boys. We just need to compose, you know what I mean? Compose on this team, alright? We need to compose, we need to do this as a team collectively. Must I say again?
Compose, communication, and the other thing you said. Let's go.
Collectivity.
Collectivity, yeah. The 3 C's.
Yeah.
Guys, we're winning. It's because of the 3 C's.
My head.
Well, 4 C's because Phoenix is a cunt, but we're still working on it.
What? Hey.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny?
How dare you? Okay.